All right. Hey, Sophie. Last class. Yeah, sorry I didn't get to see you face to face, but I get it. You can't really control airplanes. So hopefully this will go pretty quick for you, and then I'll see you Monday at 8:30. So we've gone over, you just did the math and reading, got through that, and went over the English homework. Hopefully you've got written down all the questions you have from all of that, because that's what I want to talk about on Monday to start with, is any questions you have from any of the work we've done. So go ahead and make yourself a list. That's kind of your assignment for after this class, is to make a list of questions that you need to talk about. And then also, I want you to think about each subject and kind of write at least 3 or 4 strategies that you can use for the test next Saturday. And I want to hear those when I meet with you for those 30 minutes. So that's kind of your homework pre-class here. So we're just going to dive right into Science Class 3. So what this is looking at some of the hardest science stuff. Really, since we're in this class, it's just diving into the practice. So I'll show you here. Let me see if I can get this pulled up right. Share. There it is. All right. So to start off with, you should have in front of you, hopefully you have the tests. I will send them copied with the PDF, with the link with this, basically with this video. I will also send the 3 tests just in case you don't have the PDFs with you while you're there in the airport. So hopefully you do have them, but I'm not sure if you do or not. So what you'll do first is you'll dive into 67C, number 3, and give that one a shot. And actually, go ahead and do all 4 of 67C. Go ahead and put me on pause, and I will come back and tell you the answers. All right, the answer to those 4 questions. So number 3 is B. Number 6 is F. Number 9 is A. Number 15 is also A. Hopefully you got those all correct. If not, again, write it down on your list of questions to ask me tomorrow at 8:30. So on to the next thing. Real quick review, just because I didn't mention it as we started. Remember that you want to ask the 2 questions. What are those? Hopefully you just said where and what. Where is the question telling me to go, and what is it asking? On some of these questions, the wheres may be a little bit vague, so you kind of got to figure out from the what where the where is. So keep working on that. You're going to go ahead and do these 2 problems from 73E. Go ahead and pause the test and then come back. I think I just shared the answers with you. So hopefully you did not pay that close of attention to that. I was supposed to share this one. So anyway, talk to you soon. Pause me. So the correct answers on those 2 are C, then B. Up next, you've got test 72C. You got 2 problems with that. So go ahead and give those a shot. Pause me, and then I'll give you the answers. All right, the answers to those, number 5 is C, and number 20 is J. All right, sometimes science likes to introduce new words, and they like define them, and they may be obscure. So you're already on test 72C. Go ahead and do number 19 there, and then flip over to 73E and do those other 2, 31 and 40. Again, pause me. The answers to these, number 19 is B, number 31 is C, number 40 is F. All right, then on to that last one at the very bottom. Go ahead and get your cell phone out and get 6 minutes on your timer. We're going to have you try through this Fighting Scientist passage. Remember, you handle it just like a reading passage. So you go through and label it now and later. The nows are the ones that have to do with one of the scientists. It might be observer or student. I can't remember. I'm not looking at it right this second. I think it's student on this one. But anyway, if it's dealing with one of them, you put now, and then it's later if it's both of them or the whole thing. So go ahead and pause me, and I'll tell you the answers when you come back. Again, 6 minutes. All right, did you stay within those 6 minutes? If you weren't finished when your 6-minute timer went off, go ahead and pause this video again and finish up the one you were on, or ones you were on. Okay, so how long did you go over the 6 minutes? That's kind of the question on that. How many did you have left? Take note of that so we can talk about it. But the answers, number 24 is H, then B, then G, then C, then G, then B, then H. And then down here on the homework, I do want you to go ahead and go through and do these before we meet tomorrow. It's good practice to use that where and what and really to get through these tests with these answers. So what I'm going to do is it will be one of the images I send you on the second email that I send you. So don't look at it until after you've done the homework, but I'm also going to send you the answers to the homework for math and the homework for reading. So I look forward to seeing you on Monday evening. This would have gone a little bit longer if we were face-to-face, obviously, but it's pretty short when all I'm doing is talking to a video. So anyway, I will see you. I look forward to seeing you, and I hope you have a safe trip back. See you when you're in St. Louis.